just to put its emergency
Alright,
lights
so, we got back from
emergency lights on point. And look. Jackie, the emergency lights are on, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jay, give it to me. It's coming in from different now.
Finally, it's a little bit better. Why? Barbara, can we put the stuff on the windows?
What?
Can we put the stuff on the windows?
What stuff?
The hurricane stuff. This is a tropical storm. Why not?
There's nothing like it. There's a car behind us.
Where?
Send it to their agents. Well, I don't know. I'm sure you can find out.
Because I don't have wind.
Who was the last person?
Hitting the back windshield. The license from the power station.
Sorry, the call dropped. The call dropped because the power went out and all the lights on the road are off.
We have generators.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? You can? Okay. You know what that means? I might not be able to go on.
I remember when we were driving back from Florida one year, and we were in Georgia, passing through Georgia. Oh my God, we were in the Carolinas.
Yeah.
It was a crazy storm. It was the heck out of me.
My phone's almost dead, so if I hang up...
Didn't buy phone to call.
No, my phone just dropped again.
Just let me tell you, no fireworks whatsoever.
plane.
Not only do they confiscate it, you get
I'm in trouble. I'm an addict. I'm addicted to this girl.
Sorry, my calls keep dropping.
Yeah, the tire thing came back on again.
Huh?
The tire thing.
It did?
Yeah. But we're almost home,
Yep,
so
I
it doesn't
give a
matter.
whistle.
Yep. I hear it too, Jackie.
That might mean that there's a hole in the tire.
It sounds like it's going cheep, cheep, cheep.
Yeah.
What?
You see the slide that gives away $9 million a year in advertising. We just gave a house away.
It's Seth was saying I gave away so much stuff.
Yeah.
The car dealer.
Did it just go on the tire light, Jackie?
Yeah. You mean till we get home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean since it just went on. The light.
The light went on as we were on our way to Siesta Key.
No, just now. After putting the air in the tire.
What about it?
Did it just go on now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Shh, everybody quiet.
Maybe a minute or two.
Everybody quiet.
Because we just have to go down here.
Turn the skylight up.
What, Jordan?
3 miles to the
I want to
house.
listen and see if it's still.
Well, the car's
Remind
be
me, I'll give you
moving.
a flashlight.
Almost home.
What time do you have?
What?
What time do you have?
I have about 2 minutes to 9.
Yeah, you have the time there in the car.
What?
Yeah, because mine says 2 minutes after 8.
And that says 8:58 over there.
Jordan, only 2 more minutes of recordings left, just letting you know.
Okay, so I'll stop exactly at 9 o'clock. Oh yeah, can you bring the camera to me? Can you aim it
I
at me?
just think it's wild how they just fill the fireworks in the streets here.
Anyway, I just wanted
yeah.
to say
They do.
I want you to know
watching
I
this
got
something.
4th of July, remember?
thank you. Remember to like, favorite, and subscribe.
It's illegal.
I'm not saying that the video is going to end
At the
exactly
police
now,
car.
but the entire skylight is lighting up. This is amazing.
We could sit out in Illinois and we could take pictures.
Okay, and
Wow.
just in case the internet was down, I'm gonna say what it is right now at the time of the recording. It is
8:59.
8:59 on Sunday, June 24th, 2012.
Right.
I doubt
Good
that
job.
I doubt that it's not going to be on the same year, but anyway. So, thank you, and
Good night.
no, not yet. Because I only have a limited amount, so
Okay.
just in case the video ends automatically, I just wanted to say to like, favorite, and subscribe.
Let's see, is there any lights in the houses?
Okay, you can bring it back. I don't like so much.